different truck.
Right?
What on earth is this?
Hey, that's not mine.
Wheels?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I got you a 6.
No way.
Welcome back to another Give Back Build segment on this channel where we build vehicles for friends, family.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude, that is awesome.
This is my truck.
Is it? Or even sometimes strangers. We did a give back build for a soldier, a good friend of ours, Micah. He had recently purchased a Chevy Silverado, and I wanted to surprise him. I wanted to give back to him, and he's one of us. He wanted to have a lifted truck, but with Army salary, he wasn't able to put a lift kit and put wheels and tires like he wanted to. So we surprised him by taking his truck one day without him knowing. So make sure to go check out that video. We completely transformed it and gave it back to him. We're doing another segment today. I have a good friend named Caleb who had recently gotten married and purchased a house. So doing a responsible thing. And in order to do that, he had to sell his OBS, lifted OBS Silverado, and he's been regretting it ever since, and he's been missing that truck. We're gonna give back to him. He purchased a 2010 or 2011 GMC 1500. One of the reasons why I want to get back to him is, for one, he is a friend of mine, and he is one of us, and he wants to have a lifted truck, and he wants to be part of the crew. I don't want him to feel left out. Works for his church, and he is also a worship leader at his church. What better person to give back than somebody who serves in the community and the church? Alright, so here is the setup. Caleb is on his way here thinking he's helping me film something. What I'm going to ask him to do is I'm going to tell him I am getting a new truck. For that new truck, Rough Country has sent me a lift kit for it. So I'm going to have him unbox the lift kit, which he thinks that they're mine, and halfway through I'm going to reveal to him that they're his. So let's get his reaction. I'm buying a new truck. I have a lift kit for it, and I wanted to get your unbiased opinion on Rough Country's lift kit because I want to tour their facility, so everyone's gonna think I'm kind of biased, right? So you've never, you had a Rough Country lift on your last truck.
I had a Rough Country on my last truck, but that was
on an OBS.
Yeah, that was years ago.
So I want you to unbox that video or unbox that lift kit right there and let me know how you like it. Here you go, sir.
Oh, one of your custom knives.
Yes, sir.
That thing's sick. Petting these. All right.
Spindle.
You got your spindles.
What do you think about the spindles?
Oh my god.
Yeah?
That thing is solid.
Yeah. Their powder coat is OE specs, so it goes through 4 or 5 different treatments before it gets powder coated.
That is a solid spindle.
Oh man, these are just the N2 shocks. Oh, sick.
More shocks.
They sent me struts.
Dang, those things are sick.
You know, there is a problem.
What?
My truck doesn't use struts. That's for a 1500.
Did they send you the wrong lift kit?
No, I got it for you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I got you a 6.
No way.
Yeah, that's your kit.
For real?
Yeah.
JW, you're lying.
I'm serious. As long as you're down to install a lift kit with me, it's yours.
Heck yeah. Oh my god, for real?
You down?
I'm down. You for real?
I'm for real.
You're
It's
not
yours.
lying.
Look it up. I was gonna get you wheels and tires too, but I didn't know what route you wanted to go with.
Yeah, I appreciate that so much. Holy crap.
So whenever you're available and we get wheels and tires figured out, we can go ahead and...
You for real?
I'm for real. This is yours. I actually messaged your wife the other day because I didn't know if you wanted to go with the 3.5-inch kit or the 6-inch kit. So I was trying to get some information from your wife.
How'd that go?
Oh, not very good. Well, because she said she was going to get her dad to talk to you about it. One thing led to another. I was talking to Rough Country and they had just sent me a 6-inch kit. So I was like, you know what? I hope this works.
Dude, I am very...
Because you already have a leveling kit. So I was like, going from a leveling kit to a 3.5 is not a big jump. So let's just get you a 6-inch kit because that's what we talked about before.
This is crazy, man.
Well, let's go ahead and open up the rest of the boxes for your lift kit.
Oh my goodness.
I have more fun building other people's stuff, like helping other people build their vehicle. So,
Dude.
I think you deserve it, dude. I mean, last time I talked to you, you're trying to be like financially, responsible and all that stuff. And I figured I'd help you out a little bit and help you build your truck because you're a truck enthusiast too.
I can say, for real, talking about Rough Country, this kit feels so much well more made than the one on my OBS.
Oh yeah?
One of my OBS was not this heavy. I don't know if it's just because it was an older truck or if they've just improved in their craftsmanship over the years. Dang, that's so cool.
Yeah, I think this is like maybe half of your lift kit.
Yeah.
We definitely putting rear blocks. It's just not here yet. Caleb used to edit for me before YouTube dropped my revenue like 50%. So how many video editings is this gonna get me? One or two?
You just, I'll let you decide. You decide. I gotta adjust my headlights. They're not hitting where they need to.
Rough Country sent you another package.
What is that?
I don't know, you open it. It's
Where am I
pretty heavy,
taking
huh?
it to?
Let's take it to your truck and open it there. I don't know, what could it be? Yes, sir.
That is tight.
Yeah, I told him you use this truck for towing because you got a trailer company now.
Slowly but surely building it.
Exactly, so you can't not have a trailer. Oh, you do have a trailer hitch, but
Drop it.
you need a drop hitch.
Dang, that is tight. Very cool.
Yeah,
Awesome.
the guys over at Rough Country really hooking you up.
That thing is solid too.
Oh yeah. It ain't liquid. I'll tell you that. It ain't liquid.
That is so cool, man. There's my trailer harness,
Oh, your
but I
trailer
also
harness.
have the 7-pin, so I don't really know why this is here. Back's protected.
Yeah, that's massive.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
But before we do that, let's go ahead and install this thing first.
What is this?
It's like Christmas every day, huh?
Every time I see you, I get something new.
We mainly just came here to install
What on earth is this?
a programmer
What?
for your truck.
For real?
Yeah, you need a programmer if you're gonna lift your truck.
Bro, that is sick.
And it also deletes the AFM, which,
The 4-cylinder? For real.
did you already do that?
Nope. Thank God.
Yeah.
I've been wanting that going. I've
Good.
been looking at, there's one that you can plug in, but I've been looking at the brand you have in your trucks.
Edge.
Yeah, I've been looking
Yeah.
at Edge in your
We didn't really come here to install grill lights today.
I was wondering, I was like, why do you forget his headlight lights when he's doing that? I'm back.
It took about a month to legit get a hold of him because I've been traveling, Caleb's been working. We got a big surprise for you today.
Hey, that's not mine.
The wheels?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's not
No.
mine.
For
Go look
real.
at it. That's yours.
What are they?
They're Arkons. Arkon wanted to partner up on this build, so.
No way.
Oh yeah, Hostiles.
You know,
It's actually ceramic coated already too. So.
the wheels?
Yeah, Arkon really hooked you up.
That is sick. No way.
Yeah. Exactly what we talked about. 20x10s. So we just gotta get some tires.
What? Those look sick. Man. Holy cow.
Dude, we just gotta get tires and your truck is ready. You like that?
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. The milled.
Yeah. That's exactly what we talked about.
Oh, that's
Isn't
a
it?
beautiful wheel.
Yeah.
What did we talk about?
Just we talked about
We
something
talked about a
simple
lot.
and then just having a little bit of milled.
I love
Edges.
these. Thank you, Arkon. Shout out. That is a sick wheel.
Let's go ahead and put it next to your truck.
It's heavy too.
Is it?
It's not. It's heavy once you've been holding it for a while.
We're gonna do a challenge then. You gotta hold it for 20 minutes and it'll be yours. If you drop it, you gotta pay for it.
That would suck.
That would have been a good.
I don't think I can make it 20 minutes unless I just move. I just walk
Right.
around.
Got the 6-inch rough country in the house. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna look
That's
good.
gonna look so nice.
Hey, we just gotta get the tires. How's your truck with the tuning?
Great.
Yeah?
It runs so nice.
Better fuel mileage?
Yeah. Before we did it, I had 13.1.
Yeah.
And that was from the hot shots. And now I think I'm at like 13.3 or 4.
Nice.
I need to buy some more hot shots, by the way. You guys.
That's good.
What?
Yeah.
Alright, she ain't going nowhere.
She got that sweet juice, Minute Maid, some of out that lemonade. Take a sip, blowing purple clouds, taste like lemon haze. Conversations back and forth like damn, we could go on for days. Looking back at it like damn, she bad when she walk away. Here we go, been down this road, they already know. When we go on tour, I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. People talk about us like they understand just what this is. I just wanna give you all you want and then the double it. They all say I'm way too young, maybe I'm just ignorant. I won't find nobody like you on some real shit. Spend a couple hours on the phone, hey. I don't wanna let you go. I'll be all about you, babe. I'll be all about you, babe. Saying so unless you don't know, they won't find what we got and that gon' drive me crazy. No need to rush, I'ma still be here tomorrow. Had to take my chances, baby, I just struck the lotto. And I'll be so gone, don't know where I go wrong. Don't remember last night, I blame it on the bottle. And I'm just living life, I would rather not question it. All the time invested, you could see that we was next to win. Over anything, I'll still be right here when they gone. I just had to put you in the sun, don't get me wrong. They all say I'm way too young, baby, I'm just ignorant. I won't find nobody like you.
Last minute inspection before we take it for alignment. You ready?
I think so. Yes.
You think so?
If you want to see more give back videos, head over to jwmotorsportsco.com and support us. Also, don't forget that we have giveaways going on throughout the whole year, so when you support the channel, you have odds of winning random products. We sell drop-in turbos from Ryan's Diesel Services as well as Stealth. We've also recently added Klein air horns, and these are very, very impressive. Vehicle-specific fitment as well as probably one of the loudest train horn setup on the market. And for all the diesel guys, don't forget to add a lift pump for your truck as well as wheel spacers if you're trying to run stock wheels on a lift kit.
Oh boy, struggling.
That looks like a whole different truck.
Right?
That is crazy.
That's your truck. We've had a lifted truck before though.
Yeah,
So,
it's been a while.
right?
And even being here doing it and seeing it go, crazy. That looks good.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
You might need some wheel spacers in the back.
What is that about?
That 2-inch wheel spacer will be fine.
That turned out really good.
Yeah. Just take it to the alignment shop.
It'll look even better once I get to the mirrors, headlights, or dingy.
A little rubbage. Not bad at all. Oh. Yeah, that's not bad. Elite. Mrs. Elite. That's not bad at all. What? Huh?
This whole thing needs to be cut.
That's okay. At least you don't have to cut the actual bumper.
Yeah, the bumper, yeah. He's hitting on the back too.
He is? How bad? Pretty bad. Turn it.
This way.
close. Meaning we're hitting it.
That's full off.
Yeah. Other way. Okay.
Now you can set that one.
You're right. Alright. Just cut it.
You okay with it?
Yeah. You do scrub a little bit on the half. Yeah. So just don't turn at all.
Okay.
Go straight only. You what?
I feel taller.
You are taller.
Can we turn it off?
You can.
Oh yeah. Alright, we're good. We clear. Well, here she is. How long did it take you, Mondo?
Started at 11 or 12.
11:11, exactly 11:11. Now it's 3:55. Took a 30-minute lunch break,
Yeah.
so less
Mounted, balanced tires, and full lift kit.
in about 4 hours.
That's
So
impressive.
it is.
That's impressive.
So Caleb's setup is 6-inch rough country lift with a full strut, 20x10 Arkons, K171s, and 35-inch Turo. So 6-inch lift, 20x10s on 35s. Barely scrub, but it's doable for anybody who is interested in doing this setup. And if you guys need this lift kit done, head over to Elite Innovations. Huge shout out to Mondo at Elite Innovations. Also a huge shout out to the guys over at Rough Country and Arkon for being part of this build, and also Edge for tuning this truck. And now you can calibrate your speedometer with the Edge programmer you have, I believe. Huge shout out to the four main companies, Edge, Arkon, Rough Country, and Elite Innovations. We got plenty of other stuff coming though. This is like the main, main transformation that I wanted to surprise you with. So we got mirrors and headlights. Do what?
It turned out awesome.
You like it?